Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Rust lag problem. Click here and then go to graphics settings. Now turn on this option, and after that go to Windows Update settings and then install all the updates that you can find here, and then restart your PC to upload changes, and then go to GeForce Experience, go to drivers, check for updates, and then install the latest update that you can find, and go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling. Now just try again and your problem must be fixed, and if that also doesn't fix it, now all you have to do just right click on your desktop and then NVIDIA control panel, wait a few seconds, and after that this window will pop up, and then click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and see you in the next video.